Yes. Quickly.
So according to this principle, we say that the society is our master.
There is no principle in this, first of all.
I mean to say this question of. And so does this mean that our friends and our relatives do condition us towards some favorable things or whatever. But so do we ourselves condition others?
Yes, wonderful. Very nice.
There must be something which we should do to stop ourselves from doing that to other
Yes, it's a network. You see, there is no point blaming anybody. Those who condition you are conditioned to condition you. Are you getting it? Those who condition you are not really villains or evildoers. They themselves do not know what is happening. No one has planned it out. All are victims. Everybody is a slave. Slaves are enslaving others. And in fact, only a slave can enslave others. A free man will never make slaves. Because he loves freedom. He loves his freedom and the freedom of others as well. If someone wants to make you a slave, understand that he himself is a slave. What else can he do? Poor man. He himself is a victim. Yes, it's a mutual network where everybody is victimizing everybody else. That's what is happening. Yes. I said you get rid of your friends. And if I meet your friend, I'll tell him you get rid of that fellow. Both of you need to get rid of each other. It's not that one party is the aggrieved one. Yes. Yes.
So does relationships makes us slaves?
See, what is relationship? Think of it. What is relationship? We said the action of intelligence is in this moment, right? In this moment, if you and I are in complete contact with each other, this is what is called relating. Relating. Whereas, if you and I are bonded to each other because of some element of the past, I was born in your home, you were born in my neighborhood, then that so-called relationship has no love, no joy in this. Is your relationship because you can deeply relate to each other, whosoever it is, your friend, your father, sister, uncles, brothers, whosoever it is, teachers, whosoever. Does the relating happen because the two of you are in touch with each other right now? Or are you holding an image of each other which is carrying forward from the past? And you have been told that being so and so, it is your responsibility to behave in such and such way with such and such person. And this is what is called relationship. Be respectful towards elders and parents. And this is what is called relationship. No, that cannot be love. That cannot be love. I was born in your home, so I have given you a certain name and I am supposed to act in a certain way towards you. No, this is rubbish. Are you getting it? The only true relating possible is that of friendliness. Is that of and not in a friendship. I'm avoiding the terms relationship, friendship, etc. I'm saying it has to be happening right now. Not as a shadow of the past cast upon the present. Are you getting it? Whom do I look at when I say I'm looking at a relative? Whom am I looking at? That individual or the name of the relationship? When you say, I go home and I look at my father, are you really looking at that individual or are you looking at the father? Be honest. You look at the father with all the bundles of memories and everything. You fail to look at the individual. As such, there can be no love, no connection, no real relating. Impossible. Impossible. Are you getting it?
But the relationships are based on give and take.
Oh, that no. Business is based on give and take. Trade is based on give and take. Relationships are based on love, and love is giving. You don't expect a take. This give and take is violence. Because if there is give and take, you always want more take than give. As happens in business, right? As happens in business. In love, you don't bother about taking. When there is a need to take, you just take. Have you observed that with your friends? If you have really been really friendly with someone, you don't bother too much about asking. There is something kept on his table, you want, you just eat it, and or do you seek his permission? If you seek his permission, then it's some kind of a business arrangement. No, relationships are not based on give and take. The basis of relating is attention, presence, love. Not give and take.